Motorists can now easily find cheaper fuel through a new crowdsourced online tracker that shows real-time gas prices across Metro Manila and nearby provinces. Mobile journalist Ray Vicente reports.
Looking for affordable gas? There's no need to drive and visit personally per gas station thanks to the Metro Fuel Tracker that can be accessed using your device. Launched this month, a web developer created a fuel price tracker where one can check live map updates of nearby gas stations. The site also allows people to update data themselves as it relies with crowdsourcing.
Nakapili na kayo ng location, ayun po, makikita nyo na po sa map view lahat ng gas station and the prices that are shown. Makikita nyo yung color coding, so it's gray pag wala po tayong data, especially for independent stations. Green po pagka mura, compared to the nationwide average na nasa application. Yellow pag medyo nandun siya sa gitna lang, nasa average lang. Pula naman pagka mahal. Papakita rin po doon yung pencil icon kung saan nyo po pwede siya i-edit kung nandun po kayo physically.
Although the site relies on crowdsourcing, Miguel said to ensure accuracy with its two-layered protection and daily updates.
We also have mga IP protection na you can't really spam the system. Meron din tayong community regulation. Yun din yung the way we can keep the prices accurate. So meron tayong upvote and downvote. So if people downvote a price, it means na hindi siya totoo and tatanggalin siya.
From the initial Metro Manila map, the tracker just expanded to Greater Manila for residents of Cavite, Laguna, Rizal, and Bulacan. For tricycle drivers like Roland and Bert, the tracker can be a helpful tool to easily look for lower gas price. They echoed to prioritize conserving gas, especially they now earn from 700 pesos to 300 pesos daily since the oil price hike.
Tingnan namin ngayon sa mababa. Ay, doon kami pumupunta. Basta medyo malapit lang dito. Pero pag layo, hindi na namin pinupunta. Makakatulong yun pag gano'n. Kasi naghahanap talaga kami ng mababa gano'n. Presyo ng gasolina.
Medyo kita ng sintron.
Having a total of 3,757 gas station, Miguel hoped that the fuel tracker bring convenience to motorists like him.
Persistent problem na siya ever since wherein wala talagang transparency on gas station prices. So that's why yun. Kahit ako, I'm a daily driver and I always curious kung ano ba yung prices sa station today or tomorrow, ganun. And I don't have a way to find out. So I created the app so that you can actually easily see all the prices without having to go to the actual station. So right now, I'm really looking for partners to work with or businesses and sponsors that I can partner with.
And in the near future, Miguel aims to expand the map to Cebu and other provinces. The Metro Fuel Tracker is free and can be accessed through its website at metrofueltracker.com. Kapatid Ray Vicente, we are One News.